When I was first starting out in my first paying gig as a filmmaker, I was trying to figure out how to get a certain look using this complicated grading program. I'm looking at the image and then back at the controls and then back at the image, and I just ended up with muddy looking video. And it really got me thinking, there's got to be a better way. Like, what if I could actually click on the image itself and make a color change? What if I could click on the actual face and drag it up to brighten it? Or simply click on the color of the sky to change it? Something like that would be amazing. And I knew what it would mean for filmmakers who have to do their own color grading. So after several years in a career as a colorist, I finally built a prototype based on this idea. I also thought about workflow issues like how to address mismatching shots, what is the easiest way to find the right LUT for a project, and how to save time by applying the same look to a group of shots. What we developed now lets me color grade 3 times faster than ever before, as everything has been streamlined and the software actually walks through the color grading process so there's no guesswork. Filmmakers are now going from getting passed over to creating a cinematic look that people rave about, which means getting noticed and landing sponsorship deals with companies wanting to partner. It is our mission to make color grading super easy and approachable. If you'd like to see how this works in Premiere Pro, DaVinci Resolve, or Final Cut Pro 10, I invite you to try out Cinema Grade with a free 7-day trial.